Hello. So, welcome to the training session of Magic Data, specifically Indonesian project. Okay, so this is the platform called Magic Data. This is the link that I will provide you. You will enter it in the browser, then username and password will appear. For each person, the username and password will be different, right? So if there are 8 members, I will give you 8 IDs and their passwords. Okay, so for example, now the ID for this one is, don't worry, this will be provided to you, okay? Okay, so I'm entering it and I'm entering the password. Okay, then you have to click on this, okay? Just tick mark, and click on login. Once you log in, you will come to this page. Now you see this is your username, okay? Username. This is what client can see, okay? So we will not remember you through your email ID. Rather, we will remember you, or we will know how much work this site is done through this username, MD001. Okay. Okay. Now from these, you have to click on annotation task. Okay, now as you can see, this is a total task, right? To be claimed. These are in the pool. Once these are zero, this means the project has finished or the data has ended. This is ongoing. Ongoing means one. This means that I have already started a task. Okay. To be revised, this happens when your work is not correct. Okay, and the client checks it. For example, you submit a work, the clients check it, and there are issues with your work. So clients send it back. Okay, so you will see it here. Now it's zero because the client has not checked any task. Submit it. When you submit this task, it will come in this task. Okay, and so after you submit, what it does that it goes for the client to check it. So if the work is wrong, it will come in to be revised. If the work is correct, then it will come in qualified. Okay, now how to take a task? You can click on go annotate, but as you can see, there is one here. Okay, so if there is zero here, in other IDs, there will be zero here. So then you click on go annotate. Now here is one, then I click on one. In some IDs, there will be zero. Okay, so if there is zero, then click on go annotate here, this button. Okay, so now I'll click on this. Okay, now I'll click on go annotate. Okay, now this is loading. Sometimes it takes a bit of a time for loading, or the platform gives error. Then you can install a VPN, this VPN, okay, Urban VPN. It's very easy one, and you can have any location, and it's a extension to the Chrome. Okay, now see, this is the audio wave. What you have to do, you have to play it, listen to it. Its transcription is here. Match it. Where is the correction required? Where we need to correct it? Correct that. Okay. Now from here, also see if this is done correctly. For example, if this is a male. Okay. So for example, listen to.
Sebenarnya kalau kita lihat di
Okay, so this is a male, so this is correct. Okay, now age, what should be the age? Is it a child? Is it a teen? Adult? Middle age? Senior? So this sound, this voice, it seems that this is an adult. Okay, we'll listen to it again.
Sebenarnya kalau kita lihat di sini
Yeah, I feel that this is an adult. Okay, now topic. What is the topic? So after looking at this, because I don't understand Indonesian, I don't know what is written here, so I don't understand what is it. Okay. So after you understand what the topic is, and you can see the topic from here. Okay, so is it correct? Is it news and politics? Okay. Okay, now in this, that's it. These 3 tags, you have to correct it. Okay, from here, if for example this person has said something and that is not written here, so what you do is that you type it. Okay, you have to correct it. For example, if this person say how are you, and this how are you is not written here, you have to write it. This is how transcription is corrected. And at the end, there will always be a full stop. Okay, first letter should be capital and end should be a full stop. Okay, so once you correct this whole, so let's listen to it.
Ya, sebenarnya kalau kita lihat di sini, kita lihat bersama-sama ya bahwa memang trennya ini sudah masuk fase jenuh jual dan akhirnya hari ini dia keluar dari, zona tersebut. Jadi saya pikir ini cukup menarik untuk Bukit Asam. Overall untuk energi ya, Adaro juga cukup menarik tadi ya, Harum juga bagus sekali, Bukit Asam cuma sekali lagi, kalau kita berkaca, secara, fundamentalnya atau di balik layarnya memang.
Okay. So what I feel is that it's almost correct. There's no error in it because I didn't understand what is he saying, but just matching what he said. But because you guys will be the you are natives, you understand what is being said, so you can correct it. Okay, after you correct it, you do it. Now you click on here, submit. Once you submit it, a new task will come. Okay. So then go again. So now you can see organized task is 0. Now I will click on go annotate. So now one after another, one after another, and one after another, you can see, you can quickly do all the tasks like this. This is a very easy project, very simple one. You just need to check few things. Number one, gender. Number two, age. Number three, topic. Number four, the transcription. So the transcription, and you have to correct the punctuation. There should be the first letter should be capital. There should be a full stop at the end. If there is a proper noun, for example, some people name, some person name, so that should be capital. YouTube, word, like for example, any proper noun, right? Again. So okay, so one is done. So again, click on go annotate, and you will get another task. So keep doing that. I hope there are no question. There are no questions so far, and everything is clear. Still, if you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.